Hey guys, welcome to Modern Gabby. Yes, my channel is back and I am so happy and excited to be back doing these videos for you guys. There's many things and changes that have been happening in my life, and that's why I haven't been able to do videos for you guys. But now that summer is here, what a better way to start than by talking about activities and what to do with the kids this summer for free. Yes, for free. That's Isaac making noise. He's 10 months old, and that's one of why I haven't been doing a lot of videos. I've been very busy with 2 kids. But one of the things that I've been doing is taking them to the public library. If you guys have a public library, they have schedules of things. Every week they're doing different activities and they're free and for the whole community. They're doing Zumba classes, they're doing story time, they do free lunches for the kids during the summer, like around 12:30. There's so many things that you guys can do. Besides, you guys keep them in track of reading and getting in the habit of checking out books from the library and getting their library card. Michael's 5 and he already got his library card, so that's one, check. And number 2, Regal Cinemas offer movies for $1. That's it. You guys pay each person $1 to watch a kids film, a family movie, and you could enjoy it. It's on Tuesdays and Wednesdays. It's been really cool. I took Michael 2 weeks in a row and we had so much fun. Plus, hey, for $1. Even AMC theaters, I think if you guys check your local ones, they offer movies for free. Another thing, your local Home Depot and Lowe's offer free workshops for kids on Saturday mornings, and it's really cool. They get all the tools, they get an apron, they get to do and paint and work on different projects and get them their skills going. It's some activity that you guys can do together, bond, and it's fun. All right, and another one, if you guys check out your children's museums around your city, I know Miami Children's Museum offer free admission every 3rd Friday of each month. So check their schedules. Don't be afraid, call them, ask what type of incentives or summer programs or free admission days they have, because most of the museums, they do and they offer a lot of cool things that you guys can do. And last one, since it's summertime, you guys want to do things outdoors like swimming and water parks and things like that. YMCA, it's one of the cheapest, coolest things that you guys can go check out. They even offer free swimming classes for kids in certain times of the year, like now. So call them and ask them about their free classes for kids. So that's it, guys. I hope you guys find this video useful and get some ideas and cool tips on what to do this summer. All right, I'll see you guys in the next Modern Gabby, and take care. See you. Bye-bye.